History. Armada Enterprises, a technological powerhouse, was founded in 1995 by the visionary entrepreneur Samuel Armstrong. His leadership laid the foundation for a remarkable journey that has propelled Armada to the forefront of innovation. Best inventions. Armada's legacy is marked by a series of groundbreaking inventions that have redefined industries. The autonomous drone fleet, quantum processing unit, and neural interface system stand out as some of the company's crowning achievements, showcasing its commitment to pushing technological boundaries. Recent developments. In recent years, Armada Enterprises has shifted its focus towards sustainability and environmental responsibility. The development of eco-friendly technologies and renewable energy solutions has become a priority, reflecting the company's dedication to a greener future. Additionally, Armada's strides in space exploration and satellite technology highlight its continued relevance in the dynamic landscape of aerospace. Current status. Today, Armada Enterprises stands as a global leader in innovation and technology. With a diverse portfolio spanning various sectors, the company remains dedicated to shaping the future through cutting-edge research and development.